Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est jeudi le 25 octobre et bonsoir because it's good evening right now because I'm not at home anymore. So anyway, alright, so what did we do today? Okay, first of all, for periods 4th, 6th, and 7th, we did do a warm-up. So I'm going to go over here to where the warm-ups are. And I'm going to click on the PowerPoint. Okay. And I'm going to get to where the thing is. Okay, so here it is. So it was the matching where you numbered your paper from 1 to 11 and you wrote the letter of the time in English and the blank next to the correct time in French. So it's 1 p.m. You had to find the time over here. Now, hint, look at your telling time notes, because in your telling time notes on slide 5, those are the notes that you cut out and put on page 35 of your notebook. If you look and read those, you'll be able to do this matching. Okay, so we did this, and then the student who got them all right was able to choose a piece of candy. So we did the warm-up. After we did the warm-up, we reviewed our telling time notes. So I'm going to go over here to French 2 to pre-AP and scroll up to, we reviewed our telling time on the hour PowerPoint, and then we also did a PowerPoint where we did telling time with minutes but digital. So I will go ahead and we'll go through and pronounce this one. Il est 4h49. Il est 4h49. Il est 9h32. Il est 9h32. Il est 10h12. Il est 10h12. Il est 11h59. Il est 11h59. Il est il est 7h17. Il est 7h17. Il est 12h34. Il est 12h34. You can also say il est midi 34. Il est 1h39. Il est 1h39. Il est 5h09. Il est 5h09. Il est 3h57. Il est 3h57. Il est 2h44. Il est 2h44. Il est 8h28. Il est 8h28. Il est 8h28. All right, so we did that, okay? And then after we did that, we did some clock flashcards. Okay, I am still trying to figure out how to make this video work. Okay, I think I figured it out. All right, so I'm going to click on this picture right here. Okay, do you see the way these flashcards are? All right, so you're going to get a paper that has these clock faces on it, and it's actually 4 columns across. And you're going to cut them vertically into 4 strips. And then on pages 38 and 39, you're going to tape them along this outside edge, the left edge of the column, so that they'll be able to flip open. So I'm going to show you the other one. This is the first flashcards one. So this is what it looks like. All right. So when you open it, you'll be able to see what time is written on the other side. So you're going to get that in your folder, and if you need any help with it, you can just ask when I come back, and we'll talk about it then. So that's what we did after we went through the PowerPoint, the telling time with minutes. We reviewed that. Then we went and we did the flashcards. All right, we looked at those and we cut them out into strips, taped them onto pages 38 and 39. You see the page number right there, so that they could open up, because on the other side it has the time written. All right. Merci, bonsoir, à lundi. Bon weekend.